Boy, it's hot. I don't want to be sitting here. What's the temperature? 69. Nice. At least these pegs feel good. And I'm behind the slowest freaking truck in the world. No idea where I'm going. Just gonna go ride around and see what misadventures I can get into. Can I hit the speed limit? It's a bright ass sun, man. Woo! Windy! Come on, I don't want to put my feet down. Got it. Nice, stop. You go like this. 1, 2, 3. Thought that was a cop. Whoopsie. Let's go this way. Don't know what for, but we're doing it. I don't know. Left or right, up or down. Okay, left looks like bad, right looks like good, so we're going straight. Bird, don't do it. Am I still getting rained on? A little bit. Pothole. Oh God, what is this? Why? Why are they getting rid of the ground? That ground was perfectly fine. No, I'm not gonna rev it right next to that old person. They're gonna hate me. Ah! So is this like the rich part of town that I got in? Is that a tree? Dude, that is a cool tree house. Whoa, 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 whoa. We're going back. I'm going back to look at the tree house. Let's go find this tree house. I'm coming for you! Don't tell me I passed it. There it is. Yeah, you go, because I can't make up my mind. Okay, well, onward, because that was a cool tree house, and I want it. I'm going to build one when I get home. Yay for being an adult. Except I'm lazy and not gonna build one because I got vlogs to edit. But I like the idea that I could build one at any point in time. I don't know. Oh God, that like tweaked my neck weird. Okay. Okay. Neck if you could work and voice if you could not crack. Bug out of my helmet. I see you trying to get back in. I know you guys can't see because the camera, but I promise you there's a bug trying to attack my eyeball through my helmet, and I'm about to smack myself in the face to kill it. I may or may not have taken an incorrect path. Just a little bit of construction, so. Hello, Officer Syllabler. Oh, I'm sorry, guy, for your ear. Sorry in advance. I'm sorry. That's right. You sound so good. I bet you that guy thinks he's the coolest guy in the world. I bet you. Oh, I bet. He's probably calling his mom right now. Mom! I just beat a bike! Oh, that freaking thing attacked me. I wonder, is this guy gonna take off again? Oh, you're not gonna take off this time? Look at all that power! Oh, it's the spotted horse! I see you! And I know how you got your spots. Promise I was not trying to wheelie there. I just hit neutral like a dumbass. Oh, I'm just glad the skies are clearing up a little bit. Oh man, it feels so weird not having music on, but I don't know. Like I said, I'm gonna just chill today and relax and just enjoy the sounds of the bike and the cruise. Just, I don't know, I don't want any distractions right now. I'm still in a very bad and sour mood from the weekend. Now what you breaking for, buddy? Ooh, I can get Jimmy John's or Little... Can I get Little Caesars on the bike? I'll see for the way back. Oh man, I need to get an oil change done tomorrow on her. It's starting to get all clunky. Ooh, loud pop there. Jesus. I think I'm gonna just go like make one more half loop and then call it for this vlog, but just in case, I'm gonna end it right here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully I was able to make your day a little bit better. Have a good one. Peace.